Hey friends, welcome back to Putting Up with Pompons. We are a mother-daughter YouTube channel where we focus and discuss everything about our natural hair, from the way we style and care, as well as giving you hairstyle inspiration that is quick and easy to achieve with the minimum effort. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications to catch our weekly videos every Saturday and Sunday. To all my returning subscribers, hey mama, hey bestie, hey friend, it's nice to see you once again. Let's get into today's video for this V-part wig that I purchased off of Amazon. Welcome back to Putting Up with the Pompons. In this video, this is the V-part wig. I got mine from a brand called Supernova on Amazon, and I had purchased hair through Supernova before. I think I've tried their headband wigs. Initially, what a V-part wig is supposed to be is a U-part wig where you have like your leave out, but with the V-part wig, it's not as wide as an opening as the U-part. That's why they have it a V-part. So you can leave, you don't have to like technically have a leave out. You can see my hair is in these dookie plaits, very much giving Bob Felicia. Came with its usual stuff, a wig cap, a nice little note, a edge brush, and a adjustable band. I don't know why they gave me a wig cap because you're not gonna be able to, well maybe like the back piece, I could probably put that on. Let's try it. Let's try it. So I'm gonna just put it in the back because I'm not sure how far this V part is gonna go. I'm gonna do like a try on to kind of see what I'm working with. Like I know they be wanting you to stretch out the hair and they be like, yeah, that's your 16 inches, but still give me some, you know, maybe because she's been in the, let me shake her out. She just might be a little flat, you know, get just a little thread right here in the front. We're gonna cut that right on off. And then here are our clips on the inside. There's our V right there, you see it. And we have some combs in here. We got a comb on the sides and then a comb in the very back. Are the initial try on to see. But I don't see how I'm supposed to do this without pulling out some of my natural hair. And yeah, there's no way. Look at that weft. You can see all of that. See it? All right, y'all. So the fixer in me just will not allow me to be defeated by this wig. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna gel down this real quick. Not letting that down, boom. Then put it back in this little flat twist, or twist that I had it in. Alright, same thing to this side. All right, y'all. So at this point, I was just like, there's just no way I can make this V-part wig work without having some sort of leave out because the welt was just so thick on the V-part. Like, I was just like, I don't understand how this is supposed to look natural. So I went back to YouTube because YouTube always saves my life on how to install it. And then I also learned that the V-part wig that I have is just not one of the best, the greatest out there, but this one won't. It was on the cheapy side, so you know I can't be too picky. So what I had to do was go back in and crochet the hair on the other side of the well to kind of like hide it, because I really did not want to have any leave out with this style, but I wanted my part to look natural and, you know, look like my hair, look like it's giving scalp, right? And it wasn't, and I was highly upset. On the right side, that's where I pulled out the hair. On the left is where we need to finish, right? Kind of like tease the hair a little bit at the roots to kind of help with that, but you know, it's just crazy to me how slanging your face can really turn a hairstyle from a hell no to a hell, oh my god, oh my god, okay? Because I was losing hope, but then I beat my face and I was like, we all right, we all right. All right, y'all. So I am giving this wig the last of my energy. This would definitely be like a wig that I would throw on for like the work week. I only spent like $80 on it, 90 maybe. So I guess you get what you pay for. I mean, it definitely gives like natural vibes, I guess, as far as density. Sprayed it with a little bit of water. That was it. No product whatsoever. It is human hair, so you can wash it, style it with all your regular products that you use on your natural hair. I just feel like it could have been better. 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 I will have the link for this one below. I really wanted it for the no leave out. That was really my initial reason for purchasing this wig, was for the no leave out solution. You know, now the longer I have it on, the more I'm just like, you know. Well, thank you guys for joining us on another tutorial slash review here on our channel, Putting Up with the Pompons. We greatly appreciate having y'all. Do not forget to hit that like button and check out our other mini hair reviews and tutorials here on our channel. We will see y'all on another one. Be blessed and be safe.